copy and paste and make $500 per day with internet. I will show you how you can make 500 plus dollar with automation. I will step by step guide and I will show you from mobile. Even if you have laptop or PC, you can make this amount of money. So we will separate some subject and I will show you step by step. So hi, this is Learn Today and I will show you that's how you can make passive income through internet. I will also show that's how you can make much more money. If you work hard, you can make much more money. So if you are new in this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you are watching from Facebook, please follow my Facebook page and also share my video with your friend because they need money too, so you need to help them. So let's jump to the video. So this is 100% free. You don't need any types of investment, any money. So you can work totally free of cost. So number one, you need a mobile, laptop or PC for this work. So I think that you have because you are watching my video. So number two is you need an internet connection. So I believe that you have number one and number two. And number three is a network. That means you need an affiliate network for a great results. So I'm using Oreo Plus. So you need a affiliate network like Zebizu, Oreo Plus, Clickbank, Digistore24, and like others. So if you have a network, so you need a knowledge that how you can make money. So I'm using Oreo Plus. Simply go to warriorplus.com and get your offer. So just go to Warrior Plus and go to marketplace and find a product. You need a make money related offer for best conversion. So find any best product for make money. So here is some top product. You can promote this. So I'm promoting my offers. You need to apply all offers for approval. If you approve from these types of products, you can promote them. So I applied some product and they approved me, so I'm going to approved only, and here is my some product to promote. So for these reasons I'm working with NFT Cracked. It's a NFT software. You need to see that this product conversion rate and refund rate. So NFT Cracked software's conversion rate is 23% and refund rate is 8%. So it's good, I think, and average sale is 41.23 cents. So it's good, I think, and visitor value is 7.14 cents. It's very good, and 2000 plus sales. So I'm using this. So simply tap on get link, and this is my affiliate link. So you just need a automation tool. I'm using ChatGPT, and I will show you that how you can make automation money from ChatGPT. It's a great tool to get much more money idea or anything you can get from ChatGPT. So I'm going to ChatGPT, and you need to see that what's your product about. Okay, my product about is NFT Cracked. It's a NFT generator tool or software. So I'm going ChatGPT and asking create a blog post. Okay, sorry, create a article about in about make money NFT. Okay, and he's, oh, what's up, he's writing It's totally automatic. If you research that NFT and it take much more time, okay, you need much more time to write a article about how to make money with NFT, what is this? I mean, you need to research, okay? You need to research and you need to write a article like this. And if you using OpenAI's a product, this is ChatGPT, you are getting these types of article. And it is showing you step by step process. That's how you can make money through NFTs. It's great and it's will high converting. Okay, it's super. It's nice. Wow. Okay, article is finished. What you need to do, you just need a landing page right now. Even you can direct copy and paste, but I'm using a simply landing page. Okay, so we need to go our account Oreo Plus and tap on NFT crack. This is my product and we need a image. Okay, this is a software. Just download this image. Even we can get much more information from views JB page. Okay, we are going our site.google.com. Where it is site.google.com. Okay, this is here. Site.google.com. This is here. So go to home button, press to home button and create on blank and simply delete this. Okay, I'm writing here make money with make money with NFT. Okay, that's great. And I will select text box and going to again my affiliate. Okay, this is about NFT crack, so I need a title like I'm choosing NFT crack. Okay, so copy and paste NFT crack. Okay, that's great. That's simple. No problem. Okay, NFTs. Okay, NFT crack, and I'm selecting image. Here is the image, and okay, that's great. And I need a button. Tap on button and name. Go to the main. Okay, go to the main website, and here is a option that we need to use our unique affiliate link. So this is our unique affiliate link. You need to just copy. Okay, you can go back. You can just go back, and here is NFT cracked. You just get link and sorry. Okay, this is the main page. Okay, I will show you this main page. All offer approved only, and here is get link and copy address. Okay, and we need to go our site link. Here we need to insert and we need to do it big. Okay, also we can add link in our image. So copy and paste. So our work, our landing page finish. So we need to publish it. So we publish it already. So we need to tap on link button and copy the link, our simple landing page link. So we already created our simple landing page. So number one is mobile or laptop, number two is internet, number three a network, so number three is a network, number four is landing page. So we need traffic. Okay, we need traffic, and our blog post article is ready. So we need a traffic. So we are going to get traffic. Okay, we need traffic to get sales. So we are using Quora. Quora is most popular answer and answering questions. So somebody is asking their problem and somebody is answering their question. So I will answer some people question, and many body will saw it and they see my answer, and we will make money. We'll get much money. So what we need to go, simply go to Quora.com and create a new account and just create your profile, your real information you need to put. Okay, and simple search that how to make money with NFT. How to make money by NFT. Okay, it's a great topic to get more money. So here is, you are watching that 23 hours ago. Can anyone make money selling NFT? So you need to answer some question. Also you can simply search how to make money. So you can sell NFT to get money. So you can search this. Okay, a person asking question, that's what's the easiest way to make money online. So it's a great, I think. So you need to go filter and tap on question and just tap on past week. So after done, so here is great. Okay, so how to make money online, this is good. How to make money online. Okay, just tap on this answer button and you put your answer here. So we just create a answer from ChatGPT. We need to just go our ChatGPT and copy full article. Copy full article. Okay, so I just copy and paste here. Okay, here is a great answer. This is a mind-blowing answer, and you need a trick to get more views and more money to get. So you need to just go and get your landing page link and come your answer, and just you need to put last your landing page. Okay, you can just tell go here to make money by NFT. Okay, and just tap on here and click on link icon and just paste and add. Okay, this is linkable. You see, this is linkable. And finally, you need to submit this answer. So this is successfully submitted. So what you need to do to get more money, even you can make thousands of dollars per day to answering these types of make money question. So you need to just create a legit Quora account and you need to put 5 to 6 answer every day, and you don't put every time when you are answering their question. You can, like, you are answering 5 question, you will add 2 or 1 affiliate link in your answer. So you need to help the people by ChatGPT, and you will put 1 or 2 affiliate link to your answer. So this is a great and easiest way to make money online. If any answer that will get thousands of views, and it's very easy, and if your any answer get viral, you will make thousands of money. So this is most easiest way to get money from Quora with ChatGPT. It's super easy and super effective way. This is a social media, like it's like a search engine. So if your any answer get more views, you will get more money. More views equal to more money. So thanks for watching this video. I will step by step teach you that how you can make money from internet, and if you subscribe my channel or follow my Facebook page, you will get all of secret and legit way to make money online. So thank you very much.